What do you think of applesauce, Monkey?
Can we mix it?
Yeah. Oh, honey, it's just applesauce. It's okay.
It's like strychnine.
Okay, let's try that again. Maybe with some oatmeal in it. Yeah? Oh, honey girl.
Sweetheart, I would never make you cry. I would never make you cry in my whole life.
Not so much with the applesauce yet.
This is just regular. Oh, she says it's cold cereal and applesauce. You people are evil whores.